We give up so quickly. The first time we get turned away, we go home. The first time we try the diet and slip from the diet, we blame it on genetics. The first person that doesn't like us, the first person that doesn't help us, the first time it gets a little hard, many of us are so quick to see disappointment as a dead end.
What most people do is, once you get stressed, you don't want that no more. So now you give up, you through. I'm stressed, so yeah, I don't want it. But in order to develop, stress is necessary. A seed got to have dirt put on top of it for growth and development. Dirt builds character. Dirt gives you the push-through factor. Dirt makes you come with it when you don't feel like coming with it no more. Everybody get dirt put on. But see, when you're getting put under that stress, it teaches you to withstand it. Then it gives you something to push through.
I never let people say to me, we did all we could. Like 0.0000001% of the time, is that true?
When you feel like giving up, don't. When you thinking about giving up, don't. When it look like you ain't gonna make it, keep going. When they tell you you can't, come on, man, who are they? When they tell you you're not gonna make it, don't believe them, man. Don't believe them. You got to be relentless.
Everybody won't make it to your next level because everybody won't be willing to sacrifice what it takes to create greatness. This is your journey. Struggle is a part of it. Losses are a part of it. Setbacks are a part of it. Sometimes you have to go through your worst just to become your best. Sometimes you have to lose everything just to gain everything. Don't let it discourage you, let it encourage you. Fail your way to success, fail your way forward. What's failure? Failure is only when you stop trying. You'll never grow without growing pains. The valley might be ugly, but I promise you the peak is beautiful. So don't ever stop climbing. Because the only way it works if you work. The only way you progress if you proceed. So you rise above anything or anyone that's in your way that's trying to prevent you from being great.